Good afternoon, Mr. Garg.
Good afternoon.
You have been at the show earlier also, and this is the second time you're coming to the show, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I would like to know, how did you find the show, and what is the particular
Products.
products and technology that you have been looking for, and you have found something interesting here? If you could share your views, please.
Yeah, definitely today. Okay, yeah, today I had a closer look at the products, and I found many things very interesting, and I wish these are brought on the ground. Like something basic preliminary test for alcohol test. Okay, even in Delhi, which is national capital, we are doing preliminary testing in a very crude way. We make them blow the breath, and we talk to them, and we sometimes smell them.
Right.
So okay, I got a very interesting product here, without making you blow the breath,
Right.
it senses
Oh, great.
like alcohol. And then once you are in that preliminary category, then you may be administered the proper test. So this one was there, like a lot of good equipment, a speed breaker, then a speed measurement. It's a whole lot of products here. I could have looked at all of them, but maybe I have taken the catalog, and what I have done is I have become friendly with the person who is running it here. So if I need a product, I'll sound them. So maybe there's a better way of taking a shortcut.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Any particular issue that you're facing at your end, and you're looking for a solution to that?
Yeah, I got quite a bit of issues. We have been looking for a product like a speed measurement device which works in night. So I have been shown, some products, but I told them, proof of pudding is in eating. Come to Delhi, show me, and if it works, maybe we'll push for it.
So once you have that system on, what would how would it different it would make?
No, it will make, because so far our interceptors are working only in the day, and the speed phenomena, particularly over speeding by fancy vehicles, is happening in the night. Where people are driving crazy 150 kilometers and above, and killing themselves and killing others also. We have been seriously looking for speed measurement which functions 24/7.
Right. Thank you so much. Anything you would like to add about this?
Basically, it's very interesting, and I wish we get good products which are good for traffic management, and I'm sure apart from traditional traffic policing we are doing, I think equipment helps a lot, and time has come where technology take over and human element become less and less, so enforcement become better. Okay.
Good to hear this, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, bye. Right. Mr. Uday Bhatia, good afternoon to you. So this is the first time you're visiting a TrafficInfraTech show?
TrafficInfraTech, yes. I was at Infratech earlier in Delhi, October.
Okay.
So
And how did you find the show?
it's good. It's nice. The panel discussion was really nice. Far better than a lot of panel discussions based on traffic. Previous I attended in Delhi, that wasn't that good. But this one was good. People were there who had some reputation and whom people know. And the companies, these are the same companies you see everywhere, whether it is Intertraffic or Traffic Expo. But what the kind of response, since I've been meeting them for the last 1.5 years, so they know me, they shared their views that the response here in Mumbai is better than what was in Delhi. Intertraffic.
Okay.
So it's nice. It's nice.
Let me talk more about the seminar. You said that it was more informative. What kind of information that you were looking for? What kind of insight you had in attending this particular seminar?
Well, you had the traffic commissioner from Delhi, then from Karnataka. So that itself reflects the kind of people present in the panel, and their views. Of course, it was a mix and match of a lot of things. I would not agree with a lot of things they said, that nicer roads are actually dangerous. Of course they are dangerous because they are nice and you can speed on them, but then you have to follow the law and regulations. Those kind of things are there. Then there were various other things. I didn't make a note of it, which I can share right now as of now.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. So, what do you do actually? What is your
Well, I work for a company called Intelligent Transport Solutions Private Limited. It's a company based out of Delhi, and the company is into consultancy of tolling, HTMS, and urban traffic management. So we are wholly and solely consultants on this. So we work for government also, then we work for concessioners also on their behalf for selecting the best vendor suiting their requirement, what kind of technology would they require, and if they have selected a vendor, then whether is he complying with what he's supposed to supply. So we work as consultants.
So, how do you think these kind of shows can contribute or help you in enhancing your expertise?
You get to know new things across the globe, whatever has come up, the new technologies available in the market. You learn a lot because this gives you a platform where you meet various people from various countries which bring in their new technologies. Like Roger today introduced something. I don't know, remember the name of the device, but which works on acoustics. Yeah, that one. So that was something new. I discussed it with him that in Sweden it works, but in India it may take a really long time. But of course, as a pilot project, that can be started. First of all, people would be needed to be educated on the subject, that what is it. So these kind of things are there. Then you learn that okay, this is also there. Until you don't have to go abroad. Abroad the expos. Abroad the expos are on a very larger scale. That is, I haven't been to any one of that, but people have said so. But it's a good one. It's well managed. I really liked it, the place.
Okay. So, you'll be coming back tomorrow, or yes?
I will be. I have to meet a few people, so I'll be here.
Thank you so much.
My
for your
pleasure.
views.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
Bye.
All right.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Mr. Harshad, and good to see you at TrafficInfraTech show. Is this the first time you're visiting the show?
Yes, it's the first time I'm visiting this Traffic
Have
Expo.
you also visited any kind of traffic expo before?
No, I haven't. This is my first traffic-related expo.
So,
Right.
what brings you here, and what were you looking at, especially being from an NGO?
Yeah. So our NGO works in Pune, and we have several activities being planned with both traffic police as well as the PMC traffic department. And so we are looking at some activities for which some new infrastructure or new ideas may be needed compared to what we already have in service or in practice in Pune. So I'm looking at some software solutions as well as some technology, etc., which will help us kind of modernize the traffic system that we have in Pune, and for which we are looking for various kinds of both vehicle tracking systems as well as some safety devices and stuff like that.
So, did you find any solutions here?
Yes, I did come across a few software vendors who have implemented systems like what we are planning for. May not be in entirety, but very close to what we have. So among all these vendors, I think we'll be able to discuss with them, negotiate further, and see whether they can devise systems which can fulfill our requirements.
Any particular issues that you face at Pune that you are looking solutions?
Issues. If you were to name issues, I can talk for a couple of days. But specifically, we are looking for some solutions which will help the Pune bus service track their buses and also enable the commuters to send SMSs to find out when my next bus is expected, at what time, and also for any congestion detection for the bus routes and stuff like that.
Right. Has any other team come from Pune? You were aware of?
I did come across a few people from Pune, both for the vendors as well, no, not the traffic department, but there is another company, KPIT, and they are doing some traffic projects, so they are also here for some software solutions.
Anything particular you would share or you want to look at in the upcoming shows?
I think my experience is good, so I haven't really spotted any particular lacunae as to, I would like to say that why don't you include this also. But I think pretty much everything that I was looking for is here under one roof, and that makes it very useful and interesting.
Thank you so much for your views.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Yes? Yeah. Good afternoon, Mr. Prasad. You have been to the Traffic Infratech show. You have been earlier also, or this is the first time you have been?
Good afternoon. This is my first time. Actually, I was to accompany my IG for this show. For certain reasons, he was unable to come and he sent me here. I think there are so many things. It is a very good traffic trade fair. So we have collected all the brochures and so many things we have understood and given our email addresses so that they can send other details to our place. I think definitely Jharkhand is going to purchase so many things from this show.
Any particular technology or product that you would
Actually, I came here as SP Traffic. So whatever is useful for traffic purposes, so I concentrated on that. But then two things, that sensor for alcohol driving and then the speed gun, that attracted me, and I hope we will be able to purchase these things.
So you will be coming for the other 2 days also?
I don't know, but because I have some other works also here. So today I attended the seminar. That was very
How did you find this?
good enough. Because the panel members were definitely they had so many experiences, and we listened to them. And I hope other 2 days also seminars will be very good.
Thank you so much for your
Thank you, welcome.
Yes? Fine. Okay. Good afternoon, Mr. Prajapati. How did you find this expo, and have you been to such shows before?
Actually, I got the information from the internet.
Okay. She will hold it for you.
From the internet, one website is there,
Okay.
national website.
Okay.
It is a Mumbai Exhibition Center Events.
Okay.
So I put that information in my laptop.
Okay.
So when I'm just putting the detail, MU, once I put it there, when I'm putting MU, that is giving the detail, and then they are giving the program. I'm staying nearby, Andheri here.
Okay. So what brings to your traffic show?
By this information only, and see, I'm actually about 60 years old. I work India 20 years, and I was working 20 years outside, abroad, and mainly I was chief engineer in textile. Then also I worked in oil industry. We are loading the oil from the Dubai big ships and unloading it in East African 3 center at one is the Zanzibar, another was the Dar es Salaam, and third was the Mombasa.
How does
and
traffic interest you?
Traffic, because see, there in this oil industry, I was a group chief engineer from the 7 5-star hotel in industry.
Okay.
Yes, in hotel industry, everything we have got the 4 wildlife lodges in the Tanzania National Park, and we have got 2 Indian island in the Indian Ocean near the Zanzibar. So I was engineer there. So therefore, this signal, see, you cannot wash this floor without putting the signboard, because all our customers are from the European countries. Even suppose the road is there, it is a wildlife lodge, in road is there, they are going from their guest room for taking the lunch or anywhere else. Suppose the road is uneven and somewhere else, suppose some portion, it is these rocks everywhere. Some it's not straight and slightly projected, you have to paint it, so that they will not get any accident. So in hotel industry, these are normally we are using these things. You have to be very, very particular. And people are very, very, very
Any particular
anxious.
technology that you found here is very interesting?
Yes. What I found, one is that normally, in our national park, there, we have to take care of the animals there. We are not supposed to overspeed the car, which will kill the animal. So there, the government people, national park people, they were using some cameras, and they were able to measure the speed from 1 kilometer away. And if anybody is exceeding the specified speed, they will fine you. Here I saw one of the stall is there. Now, but that camera is not working. The fog is there, atmosphere is not clear. But new technology has come. They are putting the sensor on the road.
Right.
Okay. When vehicle is passing, there are 2 sensors. So when vehicle is passing from there, that will sense, and then you will get, that is connected with the server, and that data you can get on the internet. That is the latest technology. I saw here one of the stories there.
Okay.
That
What
man
else
is.
did you see?
Another thing, Good thing, we are getting information in the railway that this station is coming, this next station of Bandra, next station is there. That one man is there, he has got a very good store there. He is supplying the complete signboard to with the software to the railway.
Okay.
He is a Gujarati, I am also Gujarati, but his factory is Vijayawada, Hyderabad.
Okay.
That is that. That thing is, otherwise the other thing is the normal.
Okay.
Yes.
So you have visited traffic shows before?
No, before I visited, there was some there, before I think 2 years. Here was only.
Yeah, no, it was actually, this is, first show was held in Delhi. This is the second show we are having in Bombay.
But you not before that you displayed
Not in
here?
Bombay.
It was there, traffic show was there here before I think before 1 year here was there. You might be knowing better than me
Yes.
because you are in that field.
Right.
But it's good now, this requires updating because the technology is going high and when science is going high, when you are using the latest technology, you have to be also very careful to use the latest technology for safety, isn't it?
Right.
So both should go at a time and this will take care of the human being, okay?
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yes. Good afternoon, Mr. Pavan Kumar Singh. This is the second time that 3M is coming to the TrafficInfraTech show. I would like to have your views. How is it being for the second time in this show? And what are the various new technologies that 3M has developed in the last 1 year and that you have showcased here? So if you could explain your...
Yeah, we find the exhibition quite satisfactory. I would say that it is one opportunity where all the stakeholders, they come on the same platform, and that is something which is great. And in a country like India where the infrastructure is just started to happen, and I feel that this kind of platforms are required, wherein people can interact with each other, understand the problems, know the views of the various types of customers, and then come up with the solutions. So that is something which is required. So anything and everything which is happening in US or Europe may not be applicable to India. So understanding the customer's problem for India specific issues, that is something which is critical. And these kind of platforms give you that opportunity. So I'm sure that that's going to help us. Yeah.
So what have you got new here this time?
We 3M. As you know that we are known for our innovation, and it is the innovation which is not happening only in US or the other countries. We have the whole lot of scientists in India as well who are working day in and day out for the solutions which are specific to Indian conditions. And we have developed. There are many things which are displayed here. You'll see that which are specific to the Indian requirement. One of the things which I would like to highlight. You must be seeing this the product which is basically called race payment markers, or the cat eyes in the normal
Yeah, you continue. Yeah.
So this is something which we used to use on the Indian roads, but it used to come off generally because people tend to change lanes very frequently and all that.
Right.
So we came up with a solution which is basically the couple of shanks we put, and recently we have launched this product where these shanks are all they are molded in the body itself. So it is much more rugged product which is going to be much more useful for the Indian conditions, and we are as a company, when we are applying it, we are giving, for the first time in India, we are giving the warranty for 2 years. So this is something which is new. You have got median markers, which are all the new highways which are coming up in India. They are with the medians or the central verge, and there are a lot of accidents which are happening because people are not able to see those medians in the night. They are not visible. So this is something which was actually for almost 3 years we researched, we interacted with the customer that what is the specific problem, and now we have come up with this particular thing where you can actually put it on the median. It is visible not only in the night time but also during the day, dawn and dusk. A specific type of this reflective sheeting which is called the fluorescent reflective sheeting that is used on this. So that is something which is again very new. One more product is you have got this delineator. We call it delineator. Various kind of delineators you must be seeing on Indian roads, but generally these are used to delineate the the curbstones and the medians and stuff. But generally you will see that those are a normal MS pipes where you paste some reflective sheeting on that. But then one of the problems are with that kind of product is that people try and peel it off, and if you use those products, then after some time, rather than delineation, it becomes an hazard. So to ward off that kind of issues, we developed this product where everything is concealed. So it's basically one body is inside and there is a jacket outside.
Right.
Okay, so this is something which is where the reflective area is very high. That is first thing, aesthetically very good, and then of course it is going to be much more long lasting than the normal delineator which is used. So this is again in the last 6-7 months we've been selling in India now. Again a very Indian specific product, but it has caught the eye of the people abroad also. A lot of people are importing from India. So these are something apart from the again a very innovative product for this kind of sheetings which go on any surface, on the concrete, on the wood. So this is something till now we required flat surface for applying the reflective sheeting. Now this is any kind of undulations it can take. So this is something which is very innovative. Again a very specific Indian specific application and development which has happened in the we have been selling for almost a year now. We have applied it even on the metro pillars where the corrugation is almost 90 degree. So almost for 2-3 years we have experimented and there is absolutely no problem. So these are some of the things which are developed for India, in India, and we are continuously working on many more things. So I'm sure that next year we'll have some more things to share.
Right. So do you also participate with these products in any other show?
We are there almost in all the shows, I would say, which are related to traffic safety. We were there in, Infratech was there. I mean, we had a presence in Amsterdam. We had, November Infratech in Delhi. We participated in the IRC, of course. We are a regular feature there. So we work at all the levels. It's not only the product selling. I mean, 3M as a company, we work at all the levels with the government, with the regulators, with the various authorities to educate them that what is happening across the globe. It is not, as a market leader, it is our responsibility to share the experience from all across the globe. So it is not only the product selling, but also to tell the people that what can happen in India. And we have been trying to, bring about that change, and we have been successful. So, we work with IRC, we work with CRRI, we work with Ministry, we work with NHI. So at all the levels we work. We have people who are dedicated for that particular use. I am part of the H1 committee of IRC myself. So that is a continuous process, and that is happening. And we find, as I told in the beginning, that this kind of shows where you actually meet the people who are from the various various stakeholders in the industry. It's a great opportunity to interact and improve upon yourself.
Thank you so much. So I look forward to you participating in the next TrafficInfraTech Expo also.
Sure.